So, I'm a black cat today. Yeah. If you guys don't know what you want to be for Halloween, or if you know you're gonna be a cat for Halloween, I hope that this look will apply to you and maybe you'll try it for Halloween. If not, I hope you just like the video. I feel like I made it very spooky today. I've been a black cat for Halloween many times. I think it's a great last minute thing to do because all you really need is black cat ears, a black shirt, and I wore a black skirt because I love skirts. But it's just so simple to do, and if you glam up the makeup, it can really look like you put something together a while ago when you really did it like 5 minutes ago. So if you're into something like that, or if you're not really sure what you want to be, I hope this inspires you, and I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, keep on watching. The first thing we're gonna do is cover the whole lid with a shimmery white color, or like a shimmery champagne. And I'm taking my Morphe 35-0 palette. I'm taking this color right here, and I'm taking a flat shader brush, getting a lot on there, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. We're gonna skip straight to eyeliner. This is a Halloween look. You can be as dramatic as you want. I'm a very dramatic person, so I'm gonna make my wig really dramatic. So I'm gonna start like right here and just go all the way to my lash line and then just fill it in. I wanted this to be really dramatic, so it is really dramatic, but you can do whatever you want with your winged eyeliner. And I also just took time to even it out as much as I could. This part is the gold glitter. This is really exciting. I'm gonna take another skinny angled brush that I have. This one's from e.l.f. It's like a two-sided one. And I'm taking this glitter that I have. I have a bunch of little tiny glitters that I ordered from Amazon. It's like 45 of them for $10, and they work really well, so I recommend you get it if you love glitter like I do. And I'm gonna spray it with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray so it has something to stick to. And you're just gonna place it on there like you placed your eyeliner on. Now, let's do the nose. So for the nose, what I have right here, I'm gonna take the black color, and I'm wetting my brush because you have to wet the brush before you put it in the face paint, otherwise it won't come out, because it gets all dried up. I'm wishing myself luck, I'm wishing you luck. This is a serious part, but I'm gonna start my whiskers like right under my cheekbones, and I'm just gonna do like a straight little line to my brush, just so that I don't have like excess on the side, so it can be more of like a straight line. So we'll see. Dots right here, I'm gonna use the back of this brush because it's a circle, and just get the paint on, and just do like 3 little dots. I was so eager to do the whiskers that I completely forgot to do the under part of the eyes, which is really important. So I'm gonna be putting some black eyeshadow on this flat brush on the tip. This is what I usually do, is that little thing. And I'm putting that under my lash line, connecting it to my winged eyeliner, and going all the way here. And I'm using my Almay eye color, the normal, traditional one. I'm just using these eyelashes that I got on Amazon. They're just like random eyelashes. Like they're not they're not like a brand, like a good one, but use whatever eyelashes you want. But I definitely recommend that you do eyelashes for this because it's the one day a year where you can just be as extra as you want. Well, most people. I'm usually extra like every day. Wow, I really look like a kitty now. What I'm using is my Naked Skin palette. I'm using the lighter contour color because I have lighter skin, so it works better with my complexion. But if you have like a warmer undertone, then you should use this color as a contour. It's Halloween and I want to be extra, so I'm putting a lot on here. I'm just gonna put it on my cheek. I look really embarrassed right now, but it's cute. This one's like a little highlight mermaid brush. And I'm gonna get a lot on there. Spray it with my Crystal Power spray. I got this from Ulta, and it's Pacifica. It's a really cool brand. I like their stuff. And putting that on my cheekbones. Really dramatic. I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom eyelashes also. For the lip, I'm gonna do my upper lip black and the bottom lip all gold. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm taking my usual eyeliner brush and I'm probably gonna use my face painting just because it's more pigment. Okay, so that's my upper lip right now. Wow! Oh, no! I did it again! I'm gonna leave it. Because my gold needs something to stick to. There we go. So we're gonna take the gold again. I'm taking this on a bigger brush just because I'm taking more than I did before. Like this. Spraying it. And putting it on my bottom lip. Let it dry. Don't let the lips touch each other. You might want to talk like this for a little bit, just let your lips don't touch. Cause like, you don't want to mess it up. Like, you work so hard on this. The last thing you want to do is mess it up. So, yeah. I hope you guys are kitties for Halloween now. And I hope you follow this tutorial, because I made it myself. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this, or if you're gonna be it for Halloween, please let me know. That would make me so happy. Like so happy. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my videos. And yeah, if you guys have any more Halloween tutorials that you want to see, let me know. I will 100% do them. And I hope you like this. Mwah.